Hello and welcome. I'm NEJE and in this episode I'm going to be printing a new stand for my watch. What you got with the Ticwatch, this watch right here, is a small little adapter plug. When it goes near the back connectors on the watch, it magnetically attaches itself to the connectors and it charges the watch. Now that's pretty cool. It also looks kind of silly because you just have the watch laying on your desk and it would be doing nothing. You can't really see it from your bed position, but there may be a way to fix that. So we have found something which is called the Ticwatch E stand, I suppose. It is generally just a little watch stand that holds the watch and it has a little cutout in it so you can put the charge wire into it and then it will snap itself to the charge wire in there. So let's print that out now and see how it goes. Here it is. Here is the watch stand, fully printed with the insert actually put into it. Now, they've got a little hole at the top here. Also, this came out really furry. I don't know why. I've been picking bits of plastic off of it. But yeah, there does seem to be some kind of major stringing issue with this print. I'm not sure if maybe it's just this print. We'll try it out again soon and see if I can fix that issue. Not with this model. This model's fine. For me anyway, I don't really care too much about the stringing. I'll probably just like sand it away or whatever. But yeah, this looks really, really interesting. I can't wait to put this into good use. It has the 4 pins on it, and when you have the watch off, you can just kind of like do that and it clicks itself to it. So it is actually held in by a magnet and it stays in the little holder thing when you take it off. Really, really cool, really intuitive. I love this design. Thank you for making it, whoever made it. I'll post a link to that in the description below. If you guys have a Ticwatch, I'd highly recommend getting this kind of stand because it's actually really useful and really cool. I'm looking for a way in which to attach it to my desk. Maybe I'd have to use some kind of sticky material like M3 tape or some kind of sticky back tape. But I'm looking forward to actually putting that into use and to making this a bit of a more of a permanent fixture for my watch. The other cool thing about this as well, actually, which I didn't really mention, but when you have it connected, it keeps the watch screen on as well. So as far as I know, or it has for me so far. If the actual other end of the cable was plugged in, it would keep the watch screen on and you'd be able to use it as a big like clock for your bedside table. So yeah, it's quite useful, very useful. I really like this stand. As I said, download it and print it if you have one of these watches, because I'd highly recommend it anyway. I was going to make one myself, but I thought I'd give it a quick look through on Thingiverse, and there was actually one already there. That person saved me a lot of time, so thank you. And that about does it for this episode. If you have any other cool stuff that you want me to print, let me know in the comments below or message me on Twitter or something like that, and we'll try and find some other really cool things that people could really use just to showcase 3D printing. That's what I'm trying to do here. So let's get the word out, let's get 3D printing into the mainstream, and let's enjoy printing. Happy printing, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what you think on Twitter, that's @NEJE, and thanks for watching.